What would you do if time suddenly stopped for everyone, except you? No warning, no sound, just silence. You're walking down the street, and then something feels wrong. People aren't moving. A man mid-step, frozen. A car in the middle of the road, not rolling. Even the birds in the sky, completely still. At first, you think it's a glitch, a moment, something that will fix itself. But it doesn't. You take a step forward, and you're the only one moving. You wave your hand in front of someone's face. Nothing. No reaction, no blink, no life. That's when it hits you. Time didn't stop for you. It stopped for everything else. At first, it feels like power. You walk into places you were never allowed. You take things you could never afford. You stand in the middle of empty roads with no consequences. For the first time in your life, nothing can stop you. No rules, no limits, no one watching. But then, something changes. You start to notice the silence. Not peaceful silence, heavy silence, the kind that feels wrong. You try to talk. There's no response. You laugh, and it echoes back at you. You realize there is no one left to hear you. Days pass, or at least, you think they do, because without movement, time doesn't feel real anymore. You stop counting. You stop caring. Food is still there. Buildings are still standing. The world is still intact. But something is missing. Meaning. Because everything you ever did, every goal, every achievement, it only mattered because someone else could see it. And now, there's no one left. No reaction, no connection, no purpose. That's when it finally hits you. This isn't a gift, it's a trap. A world where time doesn't move is a world where nothing changes. And a world where nothing changes is a world where nothing matters. At first, you thought you had everything, but in the end, you had nothing. So tell me, if time stopped for everyone else, would you really want to keep moving? Or would you rather stop with them?